guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Leia.
I'm Jamie.
And we are here to unbox this beautiful pink package from Lazada.
Sobrang pink nga niya.
Bagay na bagay kay Jamie.
Bagay na bagay sa akin, guys.
So this is for their 11/11 sale.
Kung hindi obvious, dahil sa box nila, yeah. Para sa 11/11 sale nila to.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the biggest one-day sale for the year.
For the year, yeah.
Okay, so shall we unbox?
Yeah, let's...
Ikaw na, para pink.
Okay, let's get right into it. Para wala nang suspense, we'll just show you guys what comes inside. First thing is this shirt.
No, it's a sweater?
It's a sweater, I think.
Let's get to the goodies.
Now the goodies. Yeah, so let's dig in for the first thing, and this one immediately caught my eye.
This one is from Anker. It's the PowerCore Select 10,000 mAh power bank.
Yeah.
But you know what? Considering na 10,000 mAh siya, parang it's not big.
Hindi na uso yung sobrang bigat na power banks ng dati.
Wala nang pang self-defense.
Wala nang pang self-defense. So yung highlights nito, it says it has 23 hours of extra power, high-speed charging at 12 watts. So it's not super fast like what we're used to seeing now, but that's still pretty good for a power bank. And then there is a large capacity in a portable form. So it's definitely not going to be as big as those super duper chunky power banks that we used to have.
Okay, so this power bank costs around 2,000 pesos or just under 2,000 pesos if you buy it any day of the year.
Yeah.
But if you get it during the 11/11 Lazada sale, then it'll only be around 1,400 pesos.
Yeah.
So that's
a pretty good deal, given the fact that Anker is actually one of like a top tier brand, if I can call it that, for power banks and other accessories.
Trusted.
Yeah. Since it's here, they also included this USB-A to USB-C cable from Otterbox, so you know it's gonna be tough. So if you don't know the brand, Otterbox is actually known for their super heavy duty cases.
Yeah, yung kahit mabagsak mo yung phone, buhay pa rin.
Naalala ko, one of the first times I heard about this brand is actually Carlo testing it out na I think iPad 2 pa yun, na binato niya talaga sa wall yung iPad 2 niya.
I didn't see this.
Yeah, no, you weren't.
Did it survive?
It was before, like, we were even at unbox. Yeah, it survived. Hindi siya nabasag or anything like that. So, if you buy this, I think it's priced at 1,290, something like that, if you buy it regularly.
Yeah.
And then you get about 200 pesos off if you buy it during the 11/11 sale, which is pretty good. Again, it's a bit much for USB-C cable if you're thinking about it, but it's the one that you're gonna keep
for a really long time. Just don't lose it.
I was gonna say forever, pero walang forever. Pero magkasawa tayo, may forever.
Oh nga, careful there.
Okay. Next one. Oh, ikaw naman.
Okay, we have another
speaking of okay.
power bank. Okay, fine. How do you pronounce it? Is it Aukey?
Aukey? Okay.
Okay. Okay, so this is another 10,000 mAh power bank. And it says slim, and I think it is.
Yeah, because the packaging is a lot thinner than the rest of what we have here.
So it says it can fully charge your flagship smartphone. Talagang flagship no?
At least 2 times. Which is, parang 4,000 milliamp or 5,000 milliamp hours. So yeah, could possibly charge it 2 times.
Okay, it says you can slip it easily into your pocket. So, okay, so manipis nga to. And then, USB-C.
USB line in, so okay. Better than my LED display siya. Price for this is?
Aukey is only 999 pesos if you buy it during the Lazada sale. But the original price is around 1,500 pesos.
Okay.
So pretty good deal.
That's a good deal.
So, if you don't want to run out of power during the holidays, so I'm sure extra busy tayo sa social media.
Speaking of extra busy, ito na yung lalabas natin kasi nakaka-tempt siya eh. Guys, power bank din to. Pakita din natin sa head-on camera natin. This is actually a power bank from RavPower, if you can't see it, like if you can't read the text on the box. But this is a 20,000 milliamp hour battery. This is actually the limit. Alam ko, bawal ka na magdala ng mas malaki pang power bank if you're going on a plane.
Yeah.
So this is the limit. But if you're talagang, I don't know, if maybe if you're going camping or talagang sobrang lakas mo lang talaga gumamit ng telepono, I think this one is the power bank for you.
For you, yep.
I don't.
Let's open it.
This one,
Sorry,
this one
we
I think,
really want to see this.
I want to see how big this is. Okay. I was afraid that yung size niya was actually the entire box.
Ay,
Hindi
okay.
naman pala. Okay, so you have yung mga documents dito, usual, and it looks like they have some cables as well. Here, why don't you get this? I will open this one.
Oh, it has a... yeah.
For the cables.
It has
I don't know, it's big
case
enough. I think it's big enough
for
for
the
this.
for everything. You will see what this pouch is for, but it looks
my
like
God.
the power bank will fit.
It
has a case.
It has its own case.
Yay.
And it's a chunky guy. I mean,
well, it's 20,000 mAh.
Mabigat siya. Pwede siyang pang self-defense kung...
Wow. Taka lang. Workout.
Pwede rin pang workout kung gusto nyo ng medyo lightweight at saka
yung mga parang may cardio content.
Oo, cardio ng content. Pwede yan.
While charging your phone. What? Okay. Anyway, yeah, this is it. It has a pouch, which I like, and the cables.
So there is a micro USB cable, and then this one, it's two micro USB cables. One is just longer than the others. Okay.
There you go.
So there you go.
Oh, yeah, one more.
Price pala.
Oh, okay, that one is 5,000 pesos. That's a regular price. But if you get it during the sale, it's 50% off. Around 2,500 pesos.
So parang for milliamp hour to price, parang siya na yung pinakasulit.
Sulit siya in that
Pero
way.
siya rin yung pinakamabigat, so medyo hassle din siyang dalhin.
Depende sa usage, diba?
And then last one, yeah.
Okay, we have another power bank.
Which is...
Na, 10,000 mAh. So, total ng laman nito is 50,000 mAh.
Hindi ko alam kung nagugutom lang ako, pero yung unang basa ko siya, Verger.
No! Verger? Verger, I guess, yeah. So, it's a 10,000 mAh power bank.
Ano pa yung special things niya?
May nakalagay, number of full charge per cycle. Pag iPhone 8, 3.5 times.
Wow. So medyo...
Depende sa phone.
Pinapakita ng power bank na kung gaano ka siya dated na siya or gaano ka
iPhone 8,
Kasi
Samsung
iPhone 8,
S8.
Samsung S8 at saka Huawei P9. So, but I mean,
hey, if it works,
yeah, it's a
it
10,000
works.
milliamp hour battery that shouldn't diminish like the times that you can charge your phone. And it actually looks like, if you can see it sa top, na may cable na siya nakasali dun sa
I
mismong
like that.
case
So you
niya.
don't lose the cable.
Yeah.
Kasi sakit ko yan sometimes. I bring the power bank, forget the cable.
Yeah, hindi ko lang alam kung anong klaseng cable yung meron dito.
You wanna open it?
Pwede natin buksan. Sige,
Yeah.
pwede natin buksan.
So while you're opening it, the original price of this power bank is 999 pesos. But during the sale, it is only 399 pesos.
Tinin! What? Okay. So there's a lightning cable if you're an iOS device user.
Cool.
So again, very nice. And then I'm guessing this is USB micro. Whoa!
Wow! USB-C.
I was gonna say na micro USB
So
siya kasi.
it's not as dated as
Oo.
it seems.
S8 ba? Hindi ko na maalala. S8 pa USB-C na? Hindi ko maalala.
Actually, don't remember, but that's pretty cool. Yeah.
So there. That's an added benefit.
I
And
like
I think,
that. And it looks clean.
tama ba? This is the most affordable one in the bunch.
Yeah, it's only, imagine, 400 pesos if you get it during the sale. It's
And-
10,000 mAh.
And it feels also like the lightest one.
Okay guys, so this is it. The 5 items that are inside the box, aside from the sweater, of
Yeah.
course. And, ayun,
Na definitely hindi ka kakasya sa akin.
tight fit. Inspiration.
Inspiration. I don't think so.
But yeah, again, all of these things are available during the 11/11 sale, so take advantage of the great prices. Of course, there are other tech and gadgets there too, so we suggest, guys, ngayon pa lang tignan nyo na, then add nyo na sa cart kasi they might go away
Actually, we
fast.
have a few things already in our cart.
Yeah, actually.
Pending to be like, parang one push lang. Because everything is that will be available on the 11/11 sale are actually, parang you can browse them already. Parang there's a button on
it says
the
11/11 right there.
So now pa lang you can go window shopping for the products that you're interested in. If you've been waiting for something, you can check if it's included sa sale. Then I think it's now one of the best times. You can also go early Christmas shopping.
That's
diba?
true.
Kasi malapit na eh.
Early Christmas shopping.
Okay. Alright guys, so as for the products that you see that we have right here, we will be giving them away pero as a bonus gift for those of you who will be joining our giveaways. So if you have your eyes on like the OPPO A9 2020, we might throw in like a power bank and then
Pero ang laki na ng battery nun never know.
Mas sigurado sila, di ba? Kasi minsan nakakalimutan natin mag-charge ng telepono
That's
bago umalis
true.
ng bahay. So, yeah, well, maybe we'll give you like an extra gift. So stay tuned to the channel because again, magpapasko na. You can expect a few more giveaways coming along, definitely within the next couple of months. So yeah, stay tuned to the channel and sub to the channel if you haven't already. So I think that's it.
Final thing, all of these items, we will leave the link down below so you can easily find them should you want to buy them for this during the sale.
Ito yung bet ko dyan. Talaga.
Ako ito, surprisingly.
So yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions, leave them down below and we'll get to them as soon as we can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph. Plus, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie.
I'm Leia.
Bye.